Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Today's video is very, very important because we're going to talk about the weekly chart and also the 50-day moving average. Okay, and we're going to do a little back testing on this. Okay, because this is very important. This is on the Bitcoin chart, and I'm going to show you guys why. I haven't done a video in a couple days, guys, because nothing's really happened. It's just been sideways movement, nothing really exciting, nothing for you guys to even really trade. So it's just been one of those things where, hey, it's just there was nothing there. So why are we going to force a trade if it's not there, right? So, but now we're coming up on Sunday, 8:00 Eastern time. It might be different where you live or if you're on the West Coast or whatever. This is on TradingView chart. But we are going to come up with our weekly candle close, okay? So this is very important tonight, 8:00. So because we want to stay above, right now currently, this 50-day moving average is at 31,874, okay? That's what it's at right now, 3,100 or 31,874, okay? So that's where we're at with the moving average, okay? So we want to get this weekly candle, and right now we're not. Right now we're under it, so we don't want to close underneath this and then open another weekly underneath this 50, because that could get ugly. And I'm going to show you guys why. We're going to back test this a little bit, okay? And this is Coinbase. I believe they came out. Bitcoin's been out since 2015 on Coinbase, so we have a little bit. We've got a little bit of data to go from, okay? But you guys can see here. This was 2017 when we had the first big pump, but as soon as we broke down, started going bearish. As soon as we broke down out of this $7,000 or $7,700 range, you can see we came down, retested the 50. This acted as resistance, and these are weekly candles, so each candle represents a week. Okay, so we got rejected, and it was downhill from here. We hit lows of $2,000 or $3,000. And then we bounced. We came back up. We had a nice little run. We broke it here at 5,400. And then, boom, we peaked out at almost 13, 14. And then we started slowly coming down. We rode it sideways here for a little bit, which was very interesting. But then you can see what happened when we closed the candle right here. We came back down and, boom, hit lows again in the $3,000 range. Okay, so on the long term, back testing this, it looks very ugly when we break this on the weekly. Okay, it doesn't look good, guys. You can see how we rode it forever. We've only broke down 1, 2, 3 times. Let's see, one. No, because that wasn't up. We could say 2. We could count this as a little breakdown. 3 times. But 2 out of 3 times we hit bottom. We went. It crashed. Right. It went from 14 to 3, and then it went from 10 to 3. Within. I mean, like snaps. I mean, we're talking 2-week time frames, guys. So it gets ugly, and it gets ugly quick. So we definitely don't want to see that happen. All right. So this is a very, very important video that I'm making, in my opinion, especially on a back test in history. Right. There is definitely a better chance of this breaking down farther if we close underneath this 50-day on the weekly. All right. So we got to keep an eye on that. Anything on the hour chart that we should be aware of here? Nothing special. We've just been zigzagging. I mean, look at this. Boom, 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 boom. It literally looks like the same exact pattern from here to here. I mean, it's almost identical. So nothing surprising. Okay, every time we get in this area, there's been buying. Every time we get in this area, buying, which was our buy zone. So we're doing good on that aspect. But yeah, it's just, we're not skyrocketing here. So, but let's see if we can get a good close. Okay, I would love to close above 32. That would be ideal. Okay. I want to see a close above 32 by 8:00 Eastern. The good news is it is going up a little bit. You can see in the last, couple hours here, or 5 hours here. Yeah, so, well, we had some good 4-hour candles, didn't we? We had 2 4-hour candles that were nice. Let's look. Yes, it's the last 8 hours. So, yeah, it's looking good in the last 8 hours. Let's see if we could get another couple hours. We got 2 hours left. Let's see if we can, get back above this 31,900 area. Anywhere above there. We just don't want to close under that 50, guys. That's just the bottom line. All right. Nothing special in the chart right now. So if you didn't catch this bottom, I wouldn't necessarily be putting my chips in right here. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But yeah, this is no man's land. We're in the middle of the move that we've been in for 3 days now. So there's no move here. Okay, you catch the bottoms, you're in. Then you can make decision, take money. But if you didn't, I would just wait and see what happens on this close. Okay. Ethereum, it's just, we came out, we talked about this being a bullish pattern. We came out of it bullish. Okay. If you caught the bottom, you did make a little bit of money. So, it's a nice little almost 8% gain. Okay. So we knew that was going to happen. Once we broke out of here, and this was easy. Guys, this is as easy as it gets to make a move. You break this pattern, and then you come down, you retest. Jeez. And I told you guys, I got in a little early, and I got lucky. I jumped the gun on this. Well, my order filled, so it wasn't like I really didn't have a choice. I put it in. I was sleeping, and it got filled. But then I told you guys to wait for this to break. And if you guys would have done that and then got this retest off of this off of the 1886 area, that was an easy trade, easy money for you guys. I don't know if anybody took it, but hopefully someone did, because I'm making these videos for you guys. So, but that's pretty much it. Let's see what else we got. Let's look. This is Ethereum 4-hour on. If you guys don't know how to, this is you go to templates. And you go to MAEXP ribbon. That's how you get this. And we always want to stay above the ribbon, okay? But let's look at Bitcoin. I want to see what Bitcoin's doing. Let's see. Bitcoin, we're going to just use Coinbase because most people use Coinbase. 4 hours, not looking good. We definitely want to break above this 20 at the bottom here, the purple line. Yeah, we want to get a 4-hour close above that. That would be nice. That would be really nice, okay? Let's see, or daily even. All right, so the daily, we're not even close. And then let's look at the weekly. Oh, guys, this is not good. This is not good. Closing out of the weekly on this. To be honest with you guys, I would like to see even more of a close above 32,700. I don't think we're getting there, because this could get ugly. The 50 does play a part. We looked at it, but you can see when the ribbon breaks down the weekly, it's kind of the same result, right? So, yeah, it's not looking good for a long-term hold right now. That's for sure. But one thing at a time with the 50, right? This is not looking good. I'm being honest with you guys. Not looking good for a long-term hold. What do we have? We have this little trend here, but let's erase this. I don't know why what is this, daily? What did I draw that up for? Maybe that was on a smaller time frame or something. Let's get rid of this. Let's see what else we got here. Let's move this. We can get something like this. Actually, there's 3 touch right there. Okay, 3 touch. All right. So we can get something like that. But yeah, guys, it's not looking good. I don't know if we do get the close above 32 or at least above 31,900. Yeah, it gives us a fighting chance to keep going. That's for sure. and maybe turn this thing around. So as we speak, it's looking like it's trying. We're moving. So we'll see what happens here, guys. That's all we can do. But it's very, very important to keep an eye on this next daily candle that's going to close, okay? Because it will be the weekly. So just guys, just pay attention to it. It's either going to get ugly or it's going to or you can make some profit, okay? We can maybe get a nice little trade out of this deal. I mean, I wouldn't chase it right here, but maybe it'll give us life, give us hope, get us out of this sideways movement, which I talked about that we're probably going to trade sideways for at least a couple weeks. But if you're a long-term holder, you don't want to trade sideways in the 20s. You'd rather trade sideways in the 30s. But hey, if it does break down and we get it cheaper, then we get it cheaper, and that's just the way it is. So just keep an eye on it. Pay attention. Much love to you guys. I'll keep you guys updated. And we'll go from there. And, hopefully this, I mean, we need a turnaround here, guys. Crypto's been getting beat up here lately. So, I started this channel literally as Bitcoin's going into a bear market. And I don't care what anybody, it is a bear market. We talked about it in my videos numerous times. And it's funny because I just started this channel 4 weeks ago. We've been trading and winning trades in a bear market, guys. Just wait until I can't wait until we get into a bull cycle. We get into a bull market. Oh, guys, we're gonna just completely dominate on here, and I can't wait. Okay, so listen, much love to you guys. You guys have a great night. If I can get on here later, depending what the close is, we'll figure it out. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell, hit the all, so you guys get my notifications right away. Listen, much love to you guys. Peace out.